Hi, I'm Estee, originally from the sunny Singapore. It's nice to finally meet you. In this video, I'm going to share my story about how I thrive to live a healthy, peaceful life over 60. I wish I knew this a few years earlier. Maybe it's still not too late. But if you are younger, congratulations, because you are ahead of us. Grab your tea or coffee and I will tell you how slow living helped me to overcome burnout and heal my broken heart. Slow living has helped to transform many people's lives. In this video, I hope you will get an idea how you too can practice this lifestyle effortlessly. If you live near a forest or by the sea, even at a small park, try visit there often. Go there for a short walk or just being there. To me, nature is like a portal to peace. It will give your mind clarity and help you to relax, especially if you have a bad day. Whenever I feel sad or not motivated, I go to the nature to hug a tree as though it is a loyal friend who always be there for me, someone I could lean on, a shoulder to cry on. Sleep is extremely important. Without enough sleep, your health can be affected. Being a light sleeper, I end up sleeping alone, even though I have a partner. It's not a taboo to sleep alone. If your partner is affecting your sleep, you should sleep alone. If you like to sleep better, I suggest that you don't go online 1 hour before bedtime. According to experts, it says that if your mind is cluttered with a lot of thoughts while you were online, you will not be able to relax and sleep better. If you don't want body ache when you reach my age, you should get into action by starting exercising daily. I know this is sounding overwhelming, but trust me, once you get started and you created a habit, you would realize how good you will feel after each workout. From then, you don't want to stop. We discover many places we've never been before. It is so fun, and sometimes I even give excuse to do short shopping trip with my e-bike. What does the word mindfulness mean to you? For me, sometimes it's just by doing nothing. It can also mean taking a nap, or cleaning or decluttering my house, or do some gardening. Did you know that our brain needs to be stimulated by learning new things that will keep us from aging faster? As you guys know, I'm interested in mushroom foraging, and I can never get tired of reading information about all kinds of new species so that I could try new mushroom and cook for you guys. What is your life viewpoint? Have you thought about that? For me, nowadays I try to put focus on my strength rather than weakness. I don't see failure, I see only opportunity. At my stage of life now, time and peace is extremely important, and I don't trade obligation with my peaceful time. I've learned that we have to prioritize our need, and I don't let small things to irritate me. Life is too sweet. We mustn't waste time and energy on things and people that doesn't matter to us. For the past 27 years, I noticed I have adapted to the Swedish way of eating salty food. And of course, this is not very healthy. So nowadays, I try my best to cut down on salt and sugar. Today, we are having our favorite Singapore salad called rojak. I did a live stream on how to make this. I've included the link in the video description if you are interested. You know, my partner LG, he hates salad or anything green. But I was really surprised that he really enjoyed this. Eating together is building connection with your loved one. I could still sit with him and have fika, but instead of eating the sweet bakery stuff, I choose to drink green tea instead. Before I close my eyes to sleep, I often think about 3 things or people that I'm grateful for that day. This has become my nighttime routine, and it is a must for me to feel thankful for the day. Otherwise, I cannot sleep peacefully. Sweden may be a really quiet and boring country for some people, but it has taught me how to truly live slowly, healthy, and happily. Wherever you are, it's never too late to start living well.